Okay, question 10. We got a really exciting large data set. So we got two graphs. Top one shows us purchased quantities in millilitres of liquid whole milk and skimmed milk in England regions in 2013. And figure 2 shows us purchased quantities of mineral or spring water and skimmed milks in English regions in 2013. Okay, part A asks us to give a reason why the recorded vertical data values are higher for each region in figure 2 than in figure 1. So, let's have a look. In figure 2, we have skimmed milks on the vertical axis. In figure 1, we have semi-skimmed milks on the vertical axis. So, skimmed milks include semi-skimmed and other skimmed milks. So because skimmed milks contains semi-skimmed milks and other skimmed milks, we have got the value for semi-skimmed add the values for the other skimmed milks. Therefore, the vertical points are higher than in figure 1. B part 1 wants us to describe the correlation between semi-skimmed milk and liquid whole milk full price. So going back to figure 1, well, we can see that most of the regions over here would suggest positive correlation between sales of whole milk and semi-skimmed milk. Now there are these 2 points over here which look like potential outliers because they don't fit the trend of the other regions. So we could say all regions but C and E seem to suggest positive correlation between semi-skimmed and whole milk sales, but to finish that, and then say C and E appear to be outliers. So we can exclude them. Cool. Okay. Okay, B part 2. Bayal claims that figure 2 indicates that when people drink more mineral or spring water, they tend to drink less skimmed milk. Comment on Bayal's claim. So, back to figure 2 we go. So, we could argue that this graph does show negative correlation. We could draw a line, something that looks like that. So there is an argument there for negative correlation. So we could start by saying that. So the graph does suggest negative correlation. But let's think about Bayal's claim. He's getting a little bit personal. He's saying that it shows that people drink less. That they drink less skimmed milk if they drink more water. Now, the graph only shows us information about the regions, not individual people. It doesn't tell us anything about their drinking habits. It only shows purchased quantities. So I would then say, but the graph only shows purchased quantities per region, not per person. So there is no evidence to support his claim. Okay, then part C wants us to suggest with a reason which region is indicated by the letter E. Use your knowledge of the large data set. So, you can get a large data set from the AQA website. If I remember, I'll link it down below. So, we need to go then to the large data set. But let's have a look at one of the graphs as to where E is. So, using figure 1, we can see that the value for liquid whole milk for E is just less than 350. So what I did, I went through the large data set to try and find a value for whole milk in 2013 that was just less than 350. So what happened when I did that is I found out it was London. So if we look here, we've got the liquid whole milk. So let's go across. So we want the values just above the grey line. Go across to 2013. Which is here, and we see we have a value of 344. So that tells us then that E is London. Now for the reason, we can say the value for whole milk in 2013 was forgotten 344, which fits with figure 1. Cool.